I just wanted to thank everyone for joining us tonight and sharing your joy with us. You know, what you've shared, the content, the stories that you've done for our brands, they are actually very instrumental for us in spreading the good news and spreading the joy. What is that good news? That a Filipino company, a homegrown brands can really compete in the outside world and beat the best of the best out there and become a world champion. So thank you for helping us share that story, helping us share that joy. And in 2025, we're very happy to say that it was filled with a lot of achievements. But these achievements were also, we also experienced a lot of challenges, diba? Did you know that in Q3 we had 4 typhoons? So in July, August, September, we had 14 typhoons compared to previous year that we only had 9. But what we learned, and those were big challenges in food, but what we learned is that through these, when we come together, it's going to be okay. We're going to overcome these challenges. But thank you for all of you for sharing all of the stories, all of the kwento, all of the things that you like about our brands and things that we share, because those really mean a lot of things to us. And we hope that you could also share being champions of joy for Jollibee Group and all of the brands. And make 2025, the end of 2025, be champions of traffic outside and be champions of joy for 2026. Thank you so much. On behalf of the Jollibee Group, Philippine PR Council, we have all of them here, and the Global Corporate Communication, Barry, Mao, Gladys, thank you so much for being here, and let's have fun for the last surprise raffle.